Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact range that contains gaps. This prevents touching unrelated cells. Once selected, turn on Filter from the Data tab so you can see empty rows or columns visually and make a quick backup sheet. This is fast insurance. Then, if blanks are sporadic, you'll use Go to Special. Otherwise, you'll apply a helper column. Make sure to work on the chosen range only because the steps that follow act on everything highlighted. Once blanks are highlighted with Go to Special, right-click one of the selected empty cells and choose Delete, then pick Shift Cells Up or Shift Cells Left depending on layout. This collapses gaps and preserves order. If your data is part of a table or contains formulas, create a helper column using trim or IF to normalize entries, then copy and paste values back. Make sure to check adjacent columns. Collapsing cells can misalign rows if you don't include the full dataset in your initial selection. To finish, sort or reapply filters to confirm all gaps are removed and every row lines up correctly. Sorting helps spot orphan cells. If you still see gaps, test with count on each row or isBlank on suspicious cells. Sometimes formulas return empty strings, not true blanks, and require equals if, cell equals, cell cleanup. If alignment broke, undo immediately with Ctrl+Z, and if things are still wrong, restore your backup sheet. This avoids long rework and keeps your data safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.